Okay, so say that again.
So we were talking about what components to upgrade on it, because we're going to start looking at upgrading them. So RAM, right now we're at to 2 gigabyte sticks, but we can go to 8 gigabyte sticks, or 16 gig.
I think we should try to max it out.
16?
Yeah, I mean, it's a demo, right? It's a demo computer.
Alright.
We want to see what we can do with it.
Sure. So, well, I think that's probably the first thing we should get.
Okay.
There's also the CPU and the CPU cooler.
In fact,
the
you know,
display.
with the discussion about the drive, go for a big drive. Go for the biggest.
But do we want to, because we have 2 slots for drives, potentially 3, do we want to replace this with a bigger one, or just get another?
We want 3 big ones.
But we can also
Franken
use,
computer.
we can also use, we don't need 6 terabytes for this. Like, that's just a waste.
Maybe I'll make this into my new video editing machine.
I mean, maybe it might be good enough for him.
Well, let's try it.
But I think the storage needs depend on the performance.
Alright, performance first.
So, but with the disk drive, because we would have to remove the disk drive if we want to put in a third SSD. Now, disks aren't the most useful, but it could be nice. If this is kind of chunky, then, like, I don't know, it could be a good medium gig or something like that. But you've got 4 other gigs of storage. And so having a disk drive could be useful, depending on your needs. But there's also other things you can do with the disk drive. Probably not a whole lot. SSD and leaving it alone. But I think there's some things to do. So the big ones, what I would say to start off with, definitely the RAM.
On that thought, I'm okay with leaving it alone because it's Franken computer. If we replace everything and make them too beautiful, then what's the point, right? And anyway, you know, back when the floppy drive stopped being around, I kept the floppy drive computer for a long, long time so I could do conversions. And so, who knows when we're going to find a disk that we need to read? Because we used to make them, right? With family things and stuff like that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so what are we doing now?
So we're waiting for the defrag to finish.
See if we can get to 100%.
Yeah, I don't know if we could, but we'll see.
Okay, I'm gonna go get some coffee and pause. So what's going on?
So, oh, it's defragging. Okay, so it's done defragging. So now
I'm
we can
still
start,
1% fragmented.
which I don't think is a big deal. I think it's okay. Now we try to partition it. Should now. Have to reinstall if nothing else. I'm not sure.
Reinstall
Windows. I don't know. There might be other options to try.
I wonder if I have an old CD somewhere.
Yeah, it's a new one.
Oh boy.
You could also do this. That's all I'm doing all the time. With upgraded hardware, you can be able to do all the time, I think.
Do you want me to see if there's somebody who wants to upgrade their... Just one. Just one. Geek wants to play.
If you want. think it should, but it looks like DDR3 is the spec.
And it's still doesn't want to be in space to shrink. Okay.
Well, that's what you can try.
Oh, so like that's my task.
No, that's what the viewer can try.
Oh, hey viewer, you can try this. Didn't work for us. What's the website?
Oh, there's one more thing.
Oh. Turned off.
I don't even know if it's a defrag. Oh. No, yeah. We gotta do one thing and then we defrag. Right.
Oh, what?
So we gotta delete the page sys file.
Oh. That darn pagesys file. So to do that, we go to...
In just the root C drive.
You have to show system files.
Let's try doing it through command prompt.
There used to be like a special thing to show system
hidden?
files. Yeah.
Yeah, you could do that. You could show hidden and then do
it'll
that.
show. Okay.
But we're going to do it using command prompt because it's a little faster. Let me see the... Okay. So uppercase A looks like all. That makes sense.
Or S, system files.
So any of those? Okay.
Oh,
I
maybe.
just want to do... Oh, I don't really know.
Oh, okay.
Let's see. Oh, okay. S was the one.
Oh, wow.
Okay, I'm gonna just quit that.
Wow.
But this is not... Oh, this isn't stuff located here.
Oh, no, right. I saw afterwards with the /s there was a different description that wasn't quite the same. So you can do look again and see.
Really can't. I don't really know.
Go back to
Let me
help.
see if I can... Cause it... what's it called? That we're looking for?
The swap file?
Page sys. It doesn't have a page sys.
Delete DEL.
There's some instructions if you're having issues.
We're having issues.
We sure are. So command prompt.
Or maybe it has a limit on how much time it automatically goes for or something.
Okay, let me see if there's like a locate command. Okay. For a text string. No, we want the name of a file. Let's see. No page sys file.
I think we're going to call this Franken computer. We never said it was easy. Or if it's easy, why would you do it? Dun, 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 dun. Isn't the internet great?
Yeah, okay. Again, so I see some steps. We could just plan on putting Windows 10 on it.
Oh, is that what they're suggesting now?
Well, there are some other steps to try, but are we going to want Windows 7 or Windows 10 when it's all done?
It depends on if it will run Windows 10 well. If it'll run
I think
Windows
so.
10, I'll
I mean,
take
with
it.
16 gigs of RAM, people were getting good results.
Okay.
I think.
How about the bulkiness of Windows 10?
Size-wise?
Yeah.
I mean, size isn't a concern. Storage
Because
is
we're
cheap.
going to upgrade the storage.
Yeah.
Okay.
We could try one more thing if you want, or we could just.
Yeah, whatever. I mean, honestly, I think it would have been great if this had worked, but it's not our final end if we can't. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I don't know how much we're gonna have to try.
Right.
Performance settings.
And don't let my snarky comments affect what you do. Because did a comment that I made affect your decision?
No, not really.
Okay.
Yeah, so I don't actually see what they said to do was something here, but it didn't work.
What they suggest?
Oh, location of the file.
It says no paging file. Okay.
Wait, what is defines the location and size.
No paging file. What?
What do I want to do? We could put Windows 7, well, if we buy or get a CD from somebody too.
Could we create a backup thumb drive, a restore thumb drive from this computer and then use it to reinstall Windows? I don't know.
We could wait as well if you really wanted, and wait till we get another drive to use.
At this point, Barrett, I don't care. Whatever you want to do. We could plan on upgrading to Windows 10. And if there is a problem, I'm sure we can find a CD with Windows somewhere.
Windows 7?
Yeah. Don't you think?
All
Come
right.
on, somewhere.
You want to do it?
Somewhere in the world.
Sure. I believe you. I believe that they exist. You ready? You want to do it?
I don't care.
All right. We're going to do it. We're going to just wipe it.
I'll just say that these computers are getting more use now than they have gotten in the past 3 years. No, maybe make that year. For sure, a year. Because, COVID. But even before that, oh no, we used it before that. Took it out to school sites and stuff like that.
Okay, F12. To get to the boot menu, we missed it. We're going to try again.
You okay with me posting all of the trials and tribulations? Because I
Okay.
believe that's part of the exercise.
Sure. I think it's not very useful to. I think part of it's useful to people, but it's kind of a waste of time.
But it's your waste of time.
What does that mean?
No, but they can't, they might not have the equipment to do it on. You know what I mean? So for them to see how hard it is part of the exercise, right? I mean, and they may not look at this.
I think there's use, but I think just a raw, unedited thing, there's just a lot of time. You should give people a heads up, like, this didn't work for us, or...
Right, sure. I'll do that. But I believe that if you just go straight to the what did I do, they don't understand the what did I not do.
Sure,
Right.
no, I think that's very useful. I just think Don't make people sit through all that. Give them
Right.
a choice.
Well, I put it up, and then I put up a different one that is abbreviated.
I wonder if people draw with these. Okay, so when I installed Linux last night on the other machine, I did do the multimedia codecs thing. We'll just go ahead and do that.
Oh. Don't show your hands.
Yeah, I'm okay with whatever else. And, it's the Wi-Fi password, but whatever.
I would install them, yeah. Because I just don't want to have any trouble after.
Right, yeah. Probably small.
So at this point, we have decided we are going to just overwrite take control of the disk. It's a Linux machine now.
You don't want to put Windows back on? Or you don't want to plan on putting Windows back on?
Oh, because if we plan on it, we should partition now?
No. It'll be easy in Linux. In a modern OS.
As of today, it's a Linux machine.
Okay.
And then later, when we upgrade the hard drive, we can make that decision. But I
Right.
believe at that point, we will put Windows 10 and Linux on as dual boot. Can there be a triple boot?
You can be as many boots as you want.
Boot, boot, boot. Franken computer.
Sure.
So it says currently has Windows 7. We're erasing. And where are we? It says we're in Los Angeles. Oh, private stuff.
Thanks.
Meanwhile, I will clean the...
What do you mean all this? Do you want to put the same stuff, Corsair?
I don't care. Franken computer.
For the computer name?
Yeah.
Franken computer?
Mm-hmm.
Like that? Any difference? Username?
Franken computer.
But that's the computer, not the user.
Squiggle mall. No, but okay. We have to remember that this is going to be used for everybody.
Mm-hmm.
And it could be very confusing.
I'll just put Corsair as we had before. That's what the Windows username was.
Okay. What is Corsair? I mean...
I don't know. You picked it, didn't you?
I didn't.
Mario?
Maybe.
Someone did. It was
Okay.
like Corsair 4H stash.
Okay, let's think about what might be useful then. Let's oh, okay. This one's Laughing Sal.
That was okay.
LAFFINGSAL. Okay.
Dash underscore nothing. Oh.
Put dash.
What do you think? Dash?
I don't know. I mean, it doesn't matter, right? Because it
Name.
displays it.
Laughing Sal?
Yeah.
Password, CBase.
Yeah.
The other one is my info, by the way. I'm planning on just wiping it. It's I did dual boot.
Oh, wow. It's been going. Then do it again.
Twice?
Yeah.
Are you gonna remember that?
No, you have to remember it for me.
What? But I don't want to put that password.
I don't know. I don't know what to do. Oh, I know what
That's
to do.
the problem with having only one password.
Right. All right. So this Franken computer is going to be called Laughing Sal.
No. the computer is called Laughing Sal. The username is Laughing Sal. The computer's name is Franken Computer.
The computer is Franken Computer. The user is Laughing Sal. So all of these computers that we make are going to have the names, the username of something on the historic Long Beach Pike, which is our project.
All of the three that you have, you mean?
I don't know. Now I think I have to put out a call for ThinkPads.
All right. Well, it's going.
Okay.
I don't know how long it'll take. It took for the other one. This one is smaller drive, much smaller.
For the other one, how long did it take?
I don't know. I went to bed.
Oh, okay. All right. Signing out. Taking a break. Okay, here we are. It says installation complete. Installation has finished. You can continue testing Linux Mint now, but until you restart the computer, any changes you make or documents you save will not be preserved. So what do we do now? Restart?
Yep.
Restart now. Will it go as quickly as the Windows was?
What, to restart?
Yeah.
Should be faster.
Please remove the installation medium, then press enter. So I just pull it out?
Yep.
Okay. You should label that one so you know which one it is.
They change.
Oh, you mean you'll make a new backup?
No, they change. Just what's on them.
What do you mean?
What is on them changes. I shouldn't label it because it changes.
Oh, but aren't you going to have one for Linux Mint install drive?
That's what that is.
Okay.
And it sometimes will change depending on what I need. So I have a limited number to work with.
Oops. Okay, wait a minute. We are now connected to the Wi-Fi. Welcome to our new OS. Where to find help, get more information. Have a great time. Don't hesitate to send us feedback. Linux Mint 2.0, Cinnamon 64-bit. Okay, so the first thing we decided to do is upgrade the RAM. So we're looking up some upgrade advice.
Yeah, so again, the slot is DDR3. I see DDR-L listed. I don't know what that is. SODIMM is like the laptop size, smaller one. So we want 2 8 gigs. Okay, so yeah, here, this is kind of what I was looking for. They only officially support up to 1333 megahertz, which is a slower speed than what you can get for this size of RAM, 1600 megahertz. This, not size, generation.
But if you get, with regard to purchasing, if you get the 1600 megahertz, it will run, but probably at the 1333 megahertz.
Something like that, yeah. Looks like you can mess with the BIOS to try to get it to run faster. We can go to an older BIOS version, modify the more recent to allow for faster. I feel like...
that's when it explodes.
I feel like it would be worth
playing with,
going for the more expensive one to try to.
Sure. So my whole thing is, this is Franken Computer. I'm okay with going for the experimental. I mean, we're trying to explore and understand what we want to do with this, right?
Mm-hmm. So, let's see. Quick search. No, that is way more expensive. What is $30? Oh, that's a single 16 gig slot, I think. So, $70 right off the bat.
Now we're looking on eBay.
I'm gonna not do OfferUp, so we don't have. I mean, do people know the city that we're in? Our location? Because
On
OfferUp
OfferUp?
is local.
I want to say that I don't think that sort of thing will be available on OfferUp, but you could look.
Yeah, there's a decent amount of that kind of stuff actually.
Yeah, they'll know because it does location identification, right?
Wait, no, but should I not record OfferUp so that stays private?
Oh, I see. Well, let's look at this first and then see. Okay, so new 8 gig.
So we want we probably want a pack of 2 8 gig sticks.
Yeah, I think that would
because
be
if
good.
they're the same, I think it runs better. I don't know if this supports dual channel. Let's see actually. T420 dual channel. Dual channel basically means that if you have 2 RAM sticks and they're like the same size, basically, it's worth dual channel. It's faster. I don't fully know. I don't really know. I'll assume. So we'll just look for. Okay, so.
Lot of 4. What's that going up?
No, we can only do 2 sticks.
No, but we have 2 computers.
Okay. 4 gigs.
Oh, 4 gigs. Oh, never mind.
Yeah, we want to get 8 gig sticks.
$29.70. Last one, 3 Oh, Apple.
Maybe we should put the size.
Yeah, put the size.
Capacity per module, 8 gigs per module. So that's 64, $30, $60 for 2.
What's that pre-owned? Go up.
I'm skipping the ones that are the wrong size.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, wrong size. 2 8 gigs for 16.
Oh, this one's a bid, 43.
3 hours.
Yeah, I don't know. I hate eBay bidding.
Yeah.
Wow, you're right. This image, look at that. That is very funky. It's got this green sort of thing.
Yeah, I don't know if that's TN or.
Oh, it's at 25. That's each.
Mm-hmm. Oh, $5.
But it's bidding and it's got 4 days left.
Yeah, I know. It'll go up. That's pretty cheap. The shipping's a lot, but.
Yeah. If you end up having to return it, then you only get $2 back.
Depends. If it doesn't work, then they'll pay for shipping. But if it's your choice, then you're right. Yeah, you have to. That's interesting. That's very true.
At least it ships from the US, so we know it'll get here.
Yeah, so they don't accept returns. So if we, Yeah, the money back guarantee. I think if it doesn't work, then we don't have to pay shipping. I think. Okay, I'll mark that. Let me make a
List.
thing. I'll collect tabs.
So what's that one? Oh, Apple MacBook.
What?
Oh, never mind. It says Apple MacBook.
Where?
8 gig, 2 by 4.
No, that's not
It's
the
4.
problem. It'll work. The problem is the size.
4 gig.
This one. Is it 8
Brand new.
Okay, should we look at buy it now?
Yeah.
Okay. Buy it now. Oop. Do buy it now. And then I'm gonna do what's it called? Condition.
All of it, right? New too. New too. New too. New too. You goof.
We'll see.
Oh, click on the size. Do you still have the size clicked? Because it's still
The
showing 4
size?
gig.
No, it's people just marked it wrong. This one's good though. 37 for
Yeah.
2 8 gigs.
Are you sure it's 2?
Yeah, I actually, it's confusing. It has 2RX8. I don't know what that means.
I don't think so.
You're probably right.
Let's go down. Go down. Go up. Go up.
Yeah, I think it's a single one.
There.
Yeah, one module. You're right.
$40.
This one.
26 for one. $30.
Is this 1 8 or is this? Oh, it's 2 4s.
Ugh.
These people.
These people.
Eight gigs. 8 gigs. 8 gigs. That's 30 each.
Yeah.
What is it for? $28.20. 160. I think we can do better.
$28.80. 4 or more, but they don't give you that option. They only have 3. I think.
Whatever. Should we look for 2 8 gigs or do you want to just like mix and match to find the cheapest set of 2 8s?
2 8 gigs. Remember, this
Of the
is our
same,
experiment,
like
right?
a pack of 2 8s, or do you want to find 2 individual 8s?
Get
if
to
it's
the
cheaper?
same. Because what we're trying to do is we're trying to figure out what's the best we can do at the best price, right?
So we want to get a 2 by 8. then 2.
It looks like about $60K is the right amount. $60.
Yeah. Okay. Total capacity 16. Oh, we want in the U.S.
Oh, yeah, for sure. You don't want to wait forever for it to come.
Okay, 58. There we go.
Mm-hmm.
That's a good one. That's another good one, but $5 higher, 63. Yeah, that's not tremendous.
Yeah, I think 58 sounds good. Just go for it.
But we got other machines to upgrade, right?
Oh, so you're saying...
Like that one, that other computer, that's a pretty good one, and it can do with some more memory, for sure.
Oh, does that use the same type?
I don't know. I can check real quick.
Okay. Okay, so they accept returns. 58 for 2 modules. So we think that's what we're going to go for.
Probably both of those, right?
Both of them so we can upgrade other computers.
Yeah. Let me check what we got here. The T400, do you still want to try to upgrade that, or do you want to not?
I think we should do one at a time. But yes, the plan would be eventually to upgrade that also.
So you don't, well, let's see what this takes. If this computer here takes,
Oh, excuse me.
DDR3 as well, the same thing, then I think let's just get both.
Right, because you can upgrade this computer, which we know we want to upgrade.
What is it called? Idea 10, 110. Let's see.
So there's another computer that we're working on at the same time.
You have another nicer one, right?
I have another one like this.
This same exact one? Or?
Yeah.
Same exact model?
Yeah. I bought it at the same time.
Okay. So that one, what could do with November 2?
Oh, so in the let's not get crazy aspect,
Okay.
because we have limited budget, right? And we don't want to spend it all on upgrading a little bit of everything. We want to upgrade Franken computer.
We don't have to get for this if you don't want, but
I think it's okay to do one of them because, it's the exploration.
What you could also do is, I don't know what this comes with, but you could put one of the 8 gig sticks in here and then one in the other one.
Oh, okay. So that would be better. I'm okay with that. That's better. And they both benefit. But I really want to see this guy.
Honestly, one 8 gig stick will be fine.
Yeah. And those computers were not made for we're just bought to be functional.
So we could try waiting for this to see if we could get, that discount.
Oh, they don't have a buy it now? Just do the buy it now. Because you can return them both.
Free
right?
shipping for both of these.
Yeah.
Oh, but that one, this one has no returns?
No, they both have returns. One's 14 day and one's 30 day.
But these two don't. But the bid. But this one doesn't, and this one is a single. Okay. So we'll just get both of these?
Sure.
Okay.
Okay. Our first purchase for Franken computer.
Anything else while we're at it?
No.
Okay.
Okay, to get that, let's see what it goes. And you need to send me a video for Minecraft performance.
Yeah, so that'll be May 4th and later.
That's okay. I mean, sometimes it comes sooner.
So that'll be, a few days. All right.
Okay. It'll give me a chance to do some videos on the Linux Mint.